G'day. Today we're going to build a vise for this drill press hopefully out of what we've got sitting around. So it shouldn't cost very much. I know I can use this old G-clamp for the main thread to it, and out here we're going to use this piece off this bench. So the big deal now is I've got to cut it. So that could take 10 minutes, but it won't cost us very much. It took 15 minutes, not 10 minutes, to cut that piece of iron, but it's basically free. Now I've got this G-clamp. I'm going to take this out of it. These you can pick up at the garage itself for a couple of dollars. And that's going to be a guide screw. So obviously I'm going to have to drill a hole through this. I'm going to cut this thread off and weld it onto the main body because this thread, it's like you're not going to find it in amongst your nuts and bolts. So that's why I have to use this. So we'll give this a go. Okay, we got the hole drill. Took all of these bits to get through it, but that's it. Now, as you can see, with this piece of the G-clamp, once there is a nut of some sort welded onto there, that's basically a vise. So then it's just a matter of packing it out to whatever size or so forth that you want. So we'll get on with the next stage. Okay, we've got that sorted. Now I've got a washer here. I'm going to heat it up, and it's got a bit of a dish shape to it already, but I'm going to put a bigger dish shape into that, and I'm going to slip it over this bolt we've got, and then I'm going to heat the tip of the bolt and pound it a little bit flat so the washer won't come off. And the idea then is to weld the washer to a plate of steel, and that'll be what comes in contact with your product when you wind it forward. Okay. Righto, you can look down there, you'll see I've just got one tack weld on that washer that we rounded out, and one on the other side. That's all she needs. Okay, and that's a finished vise. Took me about 2 hours to get that done. It works like a charm. Put a couple of wood blocks in there to hold your gears in a soft jaws. Always helps. Okay. Rookie mistake. When I put this thread in the vise here earlier, I usually have this dirty old cloth here that I put around anything like that, and I damaged the thread a little bit, so I had to get a little file out and straighten that up. But there you go. That vise basically costs nothing, and most people have got the same rubbish laying around to make things out of. So have a good one.